Turbo Turnup Time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now. It's Turbo Turnup Time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now. It's Turbo Turnup Time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now.
Good morning, YouTube. It's your main man, BTM here, bringing you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. So just wanted to help you guys out with the big announcement. We'll get to that in a minute. Let's look at the numbers real quick. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, what the big announcement is. So just looking at something real quick before we get going. It's weird, the camera's super grainy. But let me check something. Just making a note real quick. And let's see. Okay, here we go. Thanks for joining the Turbo Turn Up Time with your main man, BTM. Looks like the camera's kind of tuning itself there. There we go. Just took a little minute to get tuned up. So let's go to screen share. And let's see. So thanks for joining. Just need to make this comment real quick. Dang it. What's going on, LB Crypto? What's going on, brother? Oh, no. So, yeah. What's going on? What's the new news? And sorry about that. Let me see here. Why are we showing that? So currently holders are 49,000, 48,000. 67 down 0.045. Currently Turbo is 0.0105. So we are down 3.25 in the last 24 hours, 11.6 in the last 7 days, up 1.3, I guess, anticipation of the announcement. Current market cap is tripping. Currently we're at 700 and 697.4 million market cap. And hold on one second here. Let me see what's going on. Why is this? Let's close this out. Okay. So yeah, currently we are at, starting this back up for 1 second. Okay. 694.1 million market cap. 24-hour volume is 170.1 million. And current Memecoin ranking, we are must have had, okay, yeah, 725 million. We're back below SP 6900. Say it ain't so. Why does this keep? Can we get past? Can we surpass these guys? We got to stop looking at them. I want to get above Mog. I don't want to look at Popcat anymore. Fartcoin. Peanut. Shout out to Peanut the Squirrel. AI 16Z. The 69 is XP6. I don't even know what this is. What is XP69? At least we're above Glodius maximum, so it can't be too bad. But and Cats in the Dog World and Giga Chad and Nero, so things aren't too bad. But let's see here. Go back to Twitter X. Thanks for joining. Thanks for all the messages and Twitter X. So this is the elephant in the room. So the X Near Protocol account has a simple post giving the date of 17/12/24, which I guess is European, which is the day, month, and year. I'm not sure why they do that. But so 12, which is December, 17th is tomorrow, the 24th. The main Turbo account has some interaction with the X Aurora account regarding their post. 12/17 looks like Turbo will be getting a host of new capabilities. So this is Near Protocol, the blockchain for AI. And the overwhelming consensus is we'll be doing a partnership with Near. So we got that out the way, right? It is not a Robinhood listing because, as you know, exchanges don't announce when they're going to list. They like to surprise you. And this is Robinhood with Near Protocol. So the news is, again, they'll be announcing. I'm trying to get this. Okay, there we go. Let me turn this off. They're trying to build hype. This is join us each week to get the latest news, insights from blockchain world. We'll talk about new projects, upcoming features, and important announcements. So there definitely is a partnership with Near, right? That is the announcement for tomorrow. I don't know if it's the cat out the bag, but everybody's already talking about it. But I just don't want people to think it's Robinhood and wig out when you find out it's not Robinhood, right? I want to set your expectations. It will be a morning, I guess, live stream. I think it's starting at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, which would be 8:30, give or take. But there will be announcements to come. But as you can see here, I posted something on my page last, I think it was on Friday. And there were a lot of people guessing with speculation, trying to find that. Then we'll go back to all these postings. So let me know what you guys think about that. Love it, like it, hate it. Turbo Toad Army, turn up. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. Let's go. It's Turbo Turn Up time. Remember, Turbo, Turbo, Turbo. I think I posted this last week. What the? So let me know. Okay, yeah, here we go. Here we go. So this is the big announcement. And you can see here, this is Said Jackson about Near Protocol. I think it'll be huge, turbo or nothing. 99% sure it's not a spot listing, though might come anyway. There are rumors about Near Protocol. In what way, I have no idea. Maybe a partnership or game application you can download. Want to know your secrets? Robinhood spot listener partnership with some big crypto company, Ripple, maybe. Definitely not. Waiting. That a big partnership, bullish is possible. Turbo Chain or Turbo Swap. Turbo Coin ready for the moon. Blockchain integration. We're building on Near Protocol and their blockchain Turbo. Robinhood listing is the only achievement left. So again, not to rain in your parade, but it's not Robinhood listing, right? Again, listings don't make those announcements, right? They'll just be, oh, is this still coming? They'll just be listed on the exchange, right? You won't hear much about it. But back to I guess Twitter. So this is the road to 4 billion. It's your main man, the Turbo Toad Warrior, and The shirt says 4.4, and it just automatically put that on there. So I don't know why I put that on there, but I've been running with it at 4.4 billion. Let's go. We looked at the near protocol, and this is the Robinhood. Good morning. Happy Sunday to the entire Turbo family. Are we glitching out again? First time Robinhood to realize Turbo's gearing up to fly high. Beast mode, fighting for masses. Empower your customers to choose financial freedom. This is Own Turbo. You work for us now. You're a part of the family. Get out there and spread the word and tell the rest of the meme coins we are coming for them. So shout out to the Toad Warriors. Turbo is the chosen one. Our Turbo fam fights daily to showcase everyone in crypto. We have the strongest, most dedicated meme coin community. Just trying to help you rebuild the community, and has dedicated meme coins. Robinhood joining us in the Turbo revolution. Can somebody stop Turbo? This is just the beginning. Nobody can stop Turbo. What does this say? So the what? Valkyries have decided? Okay. Time to spot list Turbo. Time is now. Do not wait. So shout out to the Turbo Toad Warriors. This is Miss Infinity. Turdet is getting oxidized, waiting to be spot listed by Robinhood. Stop the oxidation process by spot listing Turbo on your platform. Okay. Nice set of teeth. Dr. John Girdwood. Thank you for assisting me when AI banned me for the rest of the day. Don't get caught in pitfalls and rug pull tokens. Choose Turbo and swing with your happy past the gators and quicksand to financial victory. If you die elsewhere, reboot to Turbo. What is up, Scottish Crypto? Tomorrow, Turbo turnout. When Turbo, one goal, one vision, get Turbo listed on Robinhood. So shout out to everyone trying to get the word out about Robinhood. But again, the announcement tomorrow is with near protocol. Let's see if we can get a video going here.
Today's Sunday, December 15th. At the time of me recording this video. December 17th is going to be Tuesday. And again, maybe like a couple months ago, 2-3 months ago, Turbo came out and said they had an announcement to make, and it was a big announcement, and it ended up being the Memecoin brands partnership, which again, they may be doing things in the background for Turbo, but it kind of was announced, and we hadn't heard anything since in regards to it. And a lot of people were disappointed, including myself, on that announcement. I felt like it could have been just an announcement that was made. Didn't need like the hype or the build up for that type of announcement. And I think Turbo here, I know I saw a couple replies to this tweet talking about that old announcement and comparing it to now. And Turbo Token, even official Twitter account, came back and said this will be much better. But I wanted to make this video because, again, I personally have no idea what this announcement could be. It could be a variety of different things. Let me know in the comments below possibly what you guys think it is. But again, just some digging online, some speculative things it could be. Again, this is all speculation at this point. And again, I'm not financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Again, shout out to all these people. I'm going to mention these tweets. I'll put links to all these tweets in the description below of this video. But yeah, Said Jackson 6. This is a super interesting find. Again, shout out to this Twitter user. Elite find here. Near protocol, which if you guys are unfamiliar with Near, it's like, I want to say it's like a top 20 crypto in the world. It could be wrong. Could be wrong. Could be very wrong actually. Oh, top 24. 24. It's a $8.2 billion market cap. Near protocol. Actually, I personally don't know too much about Near. I do know it's very prominent in the tech space. Obviously, I believe it's just an entire ecosystem about Near layer one blockchain that is designed as a community run cloud computing platform, eliminate some of the limitations, et cetera, et cetera. But taking a look at this here, this tweet that this said Jackson 6 found. Near protocol account has a simple host giving the date of 12/17, and the main Turbo account had some interaction with the X account regarding their post all about 12/17. Looks like Turbo will be getting a host of new capabilities. So Near protocol puts out this tweet here, 12/17 or 17/12/24, which is just another way to write out a date. And then here's another tweet here. Aurora, which is I think a subsidiary of Near, December 17th, save the date, right? And you see this save the date, December 17th. Turbo token comes out, just stay tuned, December 17th, save the date. So it is interesting. Again, if there's some sort of partnership here with Near protocol, I think that would obviously be absolutely insane and massive. Just getting like a major blockchain, $8+ billion blockchain to be partnering with Turbo token as a meme coin, which at this time obviously has little to no utility, real world utility or tech. It would obviously be massive. Okay, so shout out to Said Jackson 6 for this Twitter find here, absolutely elite. And then also like obviously the speculation in regards to the Robinhood listing, right? I guess someone found on Reddit a coin request link on regards to Robinhood, and then you're seeing people here reply. Rumor swirl Turbo community of successful partnership with Aurora, right? Near protocol 12/17, et cetera, et cetera. But again, the Robinhood listing could be this as well. The only thing I don't think about, the only reason why, now, again, I initially maybe thought it was going to be Robinhood. The reason why now I don't think it's Robinhood is because like Turbo didn't put this type of tweet out for Coinbase, right? And Coinbase debatably is a bigger exchange to list Robinhood essentially. I mean, Turbo. So again, Turbo didn't put this type of tweet out for Coinbase. I don't see why they would do it for Robinhood. I think it would just happen, right? Like it would just be announced essentially by Robinhood that they're listing Turbo. But nonetheless, you guys, two very, very interesting ideas or what this possibly could be. I also saw something online. Mr. Beast, popular YouTuber, put something out 30 minutes.
So the question about the Mr. Beast thing is very interesting. I don't know if it's just coincidence or what, but also the one about who is this? This one about Robinhood also. But I'm definitely with bags only. It's definitely not a Robinhood listing, right? Because Robinhood or Turbo didn't mention anything about Coinbase, right? And Coinbase would have been a much larger announcement than Robinhood. Although Robinhood will bring a lot of normies and people new to crypto to invest, but the investing margin with Robinhood is probably not going to be crazy high, right? It's not going to be a lot of whales on Robinhood. Maybe stocks, but not really crypto whales. And this thing with Mr. Beast, I can't confirm that. So let me know if you have any questions or okay, cool. Any questions or concerns about the Mr. Beast thing. I think the Mr. Beast is just a coincidence. I don't know, but people are talking about it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know your thoughts on this announcement and what's happening moving forward.
It's before Turbo put this tweet out about December 17th as well, which could be very interesting too. So you guys let me know in the comments below. Obviously Turbo has a ton of potential here at 16 billion market cap. It's around 23 cents to 21.54x from the time of this video, you guys, with altcoin season, all the money flowing into the market, into altcoins. 16 billion market cap for a coin like Turbo is very, very reasonable, in my opinion, at least. Again, that's not financial advice. You guys let me know in the comments below. Hey, vote Turbo token. Please drop a like, hit the subscribe button. As always, have a great day.
but it's definitely going to start running with the next couple of days, right? Once the announcement is made and all the hype is there, there's definitely going to be a pretty good amount of interest in Turbo, especially when you find out what this project is they're working on it and how it can help Turbo. It's going to be pretty big. So we do know for sure it's Near and not Robinhood. And I'm kind of questioning what's this thing with Mr. Beast. I don't know if can you hear me now? Scottish, can you hear me now? Yeah, for some reason the sound doesn't work unless I actually put the screen on the stage, right? I know some people can talk, but for some reason mine doesn't sound unless I have the picture up here. But either way it go, let me know what you guys think about the announcement. Skips a bit. But either way, I think there is going to be a big push coming down the pipeline. So let me know what you guys are thinking, saying, and any ideas about tomorrow's big announcement outside of Robinhood, right? We know it's with Near Protocol, right? Because we're doing it all live. So shout out to the Turbo Toe community, also the Robinhood development team. What did I say, Robinhood? The Near Protocol development team and the partnerships to be a successful future for the Toad and Near Protocol. Because if you can see here, Near Protocol is a top 25 crypto with an 8 billion market cap. Let me see if I can find this real quick. Then we'll go to the next video. So I think Near was, somebody said it's 25 or 27. Oh wow, Pepe. Let me see here. That's weird. Yeah, here's Near Protocol. $6.83 out of 8.3 billion market cap. So just if Turbo pulls into that, we would be pretty amazing. Yeah, probably a partnership. Just do it live. Yeah, Turbo King. We're doing it all live, right? We're doing it all live. Near Protocol again is 27th. So Turbo's partnership would definitely help Turbo, and I assume push Near up as well. This is my main man, Wealth Magnet Hub. Let's see what he has to say about this as well.
Going on right now. So
just trying to get this sound up a little bit. See if we can.
You could join that as well. Tons of art made by the community of Turbo, which is absolutely
What's up, Extreme Car Care?
Amazing. And this is the announcement we are seeing on December 17th. So rumors are this could be a Revolut listing or a Near Protocol collab. So most people are saying this is a Near Protocol collab. Maybe that is what's happening on the 17th. So we just have to wait and see on what Turbo, the official team, has to say. So just about 2 days left. So in 2 days, we will see the announcement actually happening. So most likely it is a Near Protocol collab, as per people are saying, and in the community itself. And the recent Coinbase listing on December 11th. So it has been about 4 days now since the recent Coinbase listing, and Turbo has not done much. If we take a look at when this coin was listed, it was at about 4 p.m., I believe, actually 4 a.m. Right here, and it was sitting at about 0.11. And if we actually, let's switch to the weekly. So if we do take a look at where it was sitting at about 0.011, and then it did a pump all the way up to 1.4 cents. And now we could see a couple of days, for the past couple of days, it just has been kind of just going downwards, actually, just going slow, little by little, kind of. We could see this almost straight line downwards. If we actually take a look at the graph, though, it is still very bullish. We could see just playing out what happens every time. If we take a look at the previous times we've seen recent all-time highs, we could see the last time we saw an all-time high, we saw a dip of around 43% in just about a week. So actually not even a week. If we take a look at this dip, was in about 2 days. So a 43% dip in 2 days, which is a really huge thing. And it was still bullish after the crazy rally that it had. And the next time we saw all-time high, if we take a look at right here, we saw about a 28% dip in 3 days. So these, every time we see a new all-time high, we do regularly see a dip, and that is what's happening right now. We could see we are seeing another all-time high right here, and we are seeing only about a 25-26% dip within just these past few days. This happens every time. It's not crazy, so definitely would not freak out. This is expected from the markets, the charts, regular activity. People tend to take profits when we do see actually new all-time highs. So definitely very expected, still playing out the charts. And if we look at the long term, it still does look very bullish. No break of the trend and still just playing out. It is just a part of the community. Actually, if we take a look at the community, 92% of the community is still bullish, and they are still they do still think turbo is still bullish. We could see, don't sleep on the AI or quantum narratives, people. It's always a waiting game in crypto market. Ignore the FUD. There are actually a lot of spam comments on coinmarketcap.com. It's actually almost on every coin, not just turbo. There's actually tons of stuff going on, and we can see there are negative comments on this coin as well. Who's still holding this? Bitcoin is going up again, and guess that turbo is going down slowly. What's the excuse now? Binance listing, Coinbase listing, Bitcoin up again. And again, people don't understand the money flow here. We see Bitcoin back to 103k, but this also indicates that the focus is on Bitcoin right now and the bigger coins, not on meme coins right now. People are focusing on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of these other utility coins, as well as in the past week they have been down actually, but Bitcoin is Bitcoin is actually climbing back up slowly, and we are seeing it go back up again. But same thing, when the focus is on Bitcoin, most of the meme coins and altcoins do not tend to rise. So once the money flow comes back to altcoins, this that will be when meme coins should be pumping, and that is not the phase right now. We are still in the Bitcoin phase, I would say, because Bitcoin still keeps pumping, not a lot of these utility coins. First, we go back to Bitcoin, and then we will go back to utility coins. Utility coins will go crazy, and then it will be altcoin season. So let's just pull up the chart right here, crypto money flow chart, and here we have the chart. We could see in the past few months we were seeing low caps, mid caps going crazy, and then the shift goes to Bitcoin, and that is what we are seeing right now. And then we will see hype around fiat like USDT, USDC around there as well, and then it slowly goes back. It goes back to Bitcoin, goes back to large caps, mid caps, and then low caps. So we will most likely see other altcoins and utility coins rising for a while before we see almost any meme coin go crazy. So definitely there will be a 1 in 1,000 meme coins that do pump for short term, but when the money comes back, we can see it's not just one graph, it's not just one person saying this. This is how the market works. We see money flowing from alt season to large caps to Ethereum to Bitcoin, and the other way around as well. Same thing, it goes from fiat, Bitcoin, Ethereum, application tokens, and then all back to low cap. So definitely people don't usually tend to do their research. They just think that the coin is going down, that it's absolutely garbage, but that's definitely not the case. You need to understand the market first to, in order to get into the market, and that's what's basically happening right now. Bitcoin's going crazy. Focus is on Bitcoin. Once it comes back, we will see turbo roaring like crazy. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take a look at turbo again, what it's doing right now. Money flow not really into altcoins right now, mostly on Bitcoin. We are seeing it pump back up again, and looking forward to the announcement on this.
So again, we know the announcement is with Near Protocol. So push the whole Robinhood listing out of your mind. If it happens, it happens. But again, Robinhood won't announce it. They'll just make that listing. So as we proceed to give you what you need, Let's see what Freeman's talking about with.
Tomorrow, what could this be? Could this be the thing that catapults Turbo to be a top 5 meme coin? After the Coinbase and Binance listing, Turbo is currently sitting at a $750 million market cap. But what is this big news? Well, in the last video, I asked you guys to tell me what you thought this would be. In this video, we're going to go over those couple scenarios. One of them is a potential partnership with a large artificial intelligence crypto. The other one is a potential Robinhood listing. This would be the trifecta. This would be Turbo having every exchange, and Robinhood is huge because, like I explained in the last video, this lets people who invest in stocks have access to cryptocurrency, guys. We're going to go over all these scenarios in this video. This is never financial advice. I love you all. When we come over here, we can see stay tuned. December 17th, save the date. Turbo posted this on December 12th at 11 a.m. Okay, let's keep an eye on all of that right here. Well, in my last video, I asked what it could be, and this gentleman right here said rumor is that it's a partnership with Near Protocol and Aurora. Not sure what that would mean for Turbo, but I'm guessing it will be bullish, and I want to come back to these replies in just a second. I want to come over here to Jay on X. Rumors swirl in the Turbo community of a potential partnership with Aurora is Near and Near Protocol. All three accounts posted on 12/17 as a date to watch on the same day. Turbo team never starts working more than a meme. So let's go over to Near Protocol at 1.8 million followers, okay, which is a lot more than Turbo has. Turbo is at about 100,000 followers right now. If we go down here and we can look that right here on December 12th, they posted 17/12/2024 and they pinned it. And then if I go here, I automatically see some Turbo people that I know right here with their eyes under it and stuff like that. So that's very interesting, but not so much a smoking gun, if I might say. You know, it's not Turbo commenting on it. It's not anything official. That could just be rumors coming around, but this is definitely an artificial intelligence chain. And we're going to look at their market cap in just a second, but they're not anything small. In fact, let's go do it now. You can see Turbo's at a 700 million market cap right now, a little bit above it. And if we go look at Near Protocol, they're sitting here at an 8.2 billion. 8.2 billion market cap. They're over 10 times the size of Turbo. This could be huge. This could very much be huge with Turbo. So if these rumors are true, they could be life-changing for Turbo, right? So let's go through Aurora. And I believe Aurora is a chain built onto Near. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, but even looking at them, they have 68,000 more followers approximately than Turbo. Going down here, let's see. Okay, so December 12th, the same date right here, they put 17th, save the date. Let's look at these. That's interesting. That's interesting right there. Turbo actually commented on it, looking forward to hearing the news. And here's the Turbo peeps under it, putting eyeballs and stuff. So this looks like it could be something. This definitely looks like a smoking gun. All three of them posted, save the date, December 17th. They all posted on December 12th, and Turbo commented under Aurora's post. So what could this potentially mean? One of the leading artificial intelligence chains in Near Protocol, partnering with the first AI meme coin ever created using ChatGPT for Turbo Toad token. Very, very, very interesting to see that. But then I want to talk about some of these replies. When I seen some of these replies, this person said, I don't want to see a partnership with another crypto. This person said, me neither. A meme should just be a meme. No one cares about utility, but we'll see what's announced. Yeah, if we get a partnership with another crypto, the liquidity will spread across the other crypto and Turbo, making potential less market cap. This is what I want to talk about here, because if the liquidity went from this $8.3 billion project to a project that's $750 million, that would be great for Turbo. Maybe not so much great for Near, but great for Turbo. This is not like something we seen with Kazuna when they partnered with them and we seen Kazuma go up, but we didn't see Turbo go up. This is the other way around. Turbo would definitely be the beneficiary out of this deal if this was what was coming true, you know. But this person thinks it's bearish. But like I said, could work the other way around. I partnered with a much larger crypto. So personally, I think that is an extremely, extremely bullish deal. But let's get into the other scenarios you guys talked about. And it's no other than the Robinhood listing. We see it down here. A lot of people commenting that it was a potential Robinhood listing. If we go over to X, we can see a lot of people talking about Robinhood. That's the only one listed. And recently we have had some meme coins listed on Robinhood. Pepe is one of those that was just listed on Coinbase and is now listed on Robinhood. Dog Whiff Hat is one that was just listed on Robinhood and Coinbase. So could there be some truth to this? Because whenever we take a look at Turbo, it has every exchange that you could possibly want. Absolutely everything except for that one Robinhood listing. And I explained this in the video yesterday. Even though Binance is the largest global exchange, Coinbase is the largest American exchange, Robinhood is the only one out of all of those that has the stock market in it. We always know people are going to get onboarded into crypto in the easiest ways possible. So, what's easier than trading stocks, selling something, and then being able to buy some potential crypto? And it's not like it used to be. There used to only be like 3 or 4 cryptos listed on Robinhood. But the fact of the matter is, there is a lot more now, but this is still a way to onboard people. And something that I'm seeing here is Near Protocol is listed on Robinhood. So if this first rumor is right, that it is a partnership between Aurora and Near Protocol, then that could even help Turbo get onto Robinhood. So that could be a double whammy, guys. This could be it, but there's a lot of smoke here. There's a lot of smoke, and typically when there's smoke, there's fire. Okay. If I wasn't seeing these comments, I probably wouldn't believe it. And if I didn't see this, looking forward to hearing the news, then I would not be believing it. But guys, I just want to say that last time Turbo made an announcement was the Animoca Brands deal, and it was underwhelming. So I believe that they are very cautious about what they announce early. They wouldn't announce something early unless it was a banger. And we didn't see any kind of early announcements with Coinbase, with Binance. I'm not sure if they knew about it.
So I'm definitely anxious to see how the price action works out tomorrow. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think the price is going to take off, or do you think it is going to peak and then come down? Because I'm really anxious to see how this all plays out. So we do know it's Near Protocol, right? There's no reason to fake the funk on this, right? It's definitely not. It's definitely not Robinhood, right? So there's no reason to think about what potentially the Robinhood listing could do, because we know it's not Robinhood, right? And again, or for the third or fourth time, Robinhood wouldn't give us a heads up. They would just list it and give us a listing date, right? So I'm not sure. So let me know what you guys think about a possible pump for the Turbo and Near protocol partnership, right? Do you think the price will push up tomorrow, or is it just another sell the news, buy the rumor kind of event? I hope that this does push the price up, but we'll have to wait and see. So let me know in the comments. What do you guys think? Nobody's saying nothing. Let me know what your thoughts or actual possible ideas are going, or what do you guys think about this, right? I know previously folks were disappointed with the Animoca brand, and I think the Animoca was a good thing. It just, we're waiting for their partnership to be fruitful, right? It's coming.
Great audience, like your boss.
It's just not quite there yet. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? What do you have, or what are your me? And then we'll go to gossip here. Actually, just like saying gossip here.
Of them have a lot of exchange listings now. So what is next?
But let me pump this volume up a little bit and see what we have here, what Money and Me is talking about. So just trying to see what the crypto community is offering or has to say about possible partnerships with Near Protocol. What is up? Extreme Car Care, what's going on, brother? Bethesda X-Raider is a hidden gem. Okay. Can we please be the AI mascot of Near Protocol? I think we are going to be. What is up, Sammy or Sonny? I'm tripping. I can't see. What up, Sonny? My bad, player. But let's see what Money and Me's talking about, and then we'll go to gossip here.
What can actually,
if you haven't noticed, I like to say gossip here.
Bring the prices to the next level? That's what I want to discuss in this video. Before I start talking about them though, for anyone that's looking for a great exchange, especially if you use leverage, make sure you check out my link to BTCC. You get 10% bonus on first time deposits, and you get extra bonuses of up to $10,000. You also get to use up to 500x leverage on some of these coins. So make sure you check that out. There's also going to be a link down below to my Patreon, and there's going to be a link down below to TradeAssist for anyone that's looking for a great crypto indicator. All right. Now, let's first go over Turbo and see what's going on here. So if you come over to CoinMarketCap, we can see all the different exchange listings that Turbo currently has. You know, there's that Binance and there's that Coinbase. Those are the two main important ones. Okay. And this is what every meme coin, or just every coin in general, in the crypto space aim to target. Everyone wants that Binance and everyone wants that Coinbase. Turbo's got both of them. So the question is, what can actually bring Turbo to the next level? Because if we take a look at the price action, okay, so right now we take a look at the market cap and we see that it's sitting just over $700 million market cap, right? And let's actually blow this up a little bit. What we're noticing is this thing after that Coinbase listing. So it had that Coinbase massive pump, and now it's just pulled back big time because this thing reached a high of, let's check this out in market cap terms, 984 million. So it almost reached that $1 billion mark, which we all expected it to get to at least by now, but it came very close and then it pulled all the way back down. Okay. But one thing that is good about this chart is the fact that it is staying above this previous area right here. Okay, so as long as it stays above here, we are still in business. There was just way too big of a pump from 600 million market cap all the way to 985 pretty much. So of course there needed to be a pullback, but as long as it stays above this area right here, which was previous resistance, I think that we are in business to continue this uptrend. Now, if we take a look at the indicator, we notice that a buy zone was actually just fired today. And, you know, that could definitely mean that Turbo could be on its way back up. We still have this bullish momentum that's still happening. This was fired on December 11th, and Turbo is looking good to me. But the question again is, what can bring this coin to the next level? Because it's already got those tier 1 listings. It's got like all the exchange listings at this point, pretty much, right? So what is the next catalyst for Turbo? Well, here's the thing. See, the crypto goes in cycles. Meme coins has its run, then the utility coins have its run. But guess what? Meme coins always come back to have another run. And what's very interesting about Turbo is the fact that it's a AI play. And once AI starts to take off again, we are still currently in a AI boom, but we are nowhere near the top of that. And once AI really, really explodes, we're going to see something like Turbo explode as well, especially once we rotate back into meme coins. So you got the AI narrative and meme coins when it comes back into full effect, because right now a lot of meme coins have kind of taken a little bit of a breather because there's a lot of focus on utility coins. But something like Turbo could honestly explode still because it's in the right narrative, and it's literally right in that sweet spot between meme coins and AI. And it's just honestly, the potential here is massive. So Turbo still, even though it's got all the exchange listings, the potential for this thing could still really send this thing to next levels. This thing will be over $1 billion market cap easy, in my opinion. It's just a matter of how high afterwards is it going to get. 4 billion, 5 billion, 7 billion, we don't know. But Turbo is one that I am not worried about at all. Now, let's get into Hoppy here. So if we take a look at the exchange listings that Hoppy has, it has come such a long way. I remember when there was like nothing here, just Uniswap. Like, it has come such a long way. It's just been impressive. Now, Hoppy still doesn't have Coinbase. It still doesn't have Binance. Do I think that's going to come one day? Most likely, at least a Binance listing for sure. Coinbase, we all know, is always a little bit stubborn, even though Turbo was able to crack through and land that Coinbase listing.
Yeah, much as I would love to go into Hoppy, I'm only concerned about Turbo, actually. Thanks. Thanks, money in me, but I'm going to pass on the Hoppy situation there. But we're going to go back to Gassif here, see what he had to talk about for long-term Turbo holders.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day, because I'm, as usual, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So today we're gonna have some real talk here, because some of you are freaking out. You still are unsure of what is going on with Turbo, yet it's so obvious the fact that everything is going down. So obviously Turbo isn't supposed to be the only one going up. Well, every other crypto out there is going. We're just following the markets. Yet people are still deciding to, create imaginations in their heads. So now is the moment where we kind of work on our psychology, right? Our emotions. Apart from being able to DCA and take opportunity of these cheap prices, because probably we won't see anything too ridiculously cheap. I mean, yeah, it could go down a bit more, maybe drop down to 500 million market cap. But the point here is that already there's just too much going on with Turbo, and it has established itself as at least a $500 million market cap coin in terms of its support line. So all we're going to be seeing now is it going up. Right now, another point that needs to be mentioned is that Bitcoin is going up. Although everything looks like it's red, Bitcoin is slowly, silently climbing up. And people are having these weird mixed feelings, right? They're trying to figure out how they can make money this week or next week. Maybe they should just sell all their Turbo and jump into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is going up, right? It's adding another $1,000 or $2,000 when actually that $1,000 is less than 1% increase. But that's how crazy people are, right? They create these imaginations in their heads. And I don't blame them, because if they are new, they are not going to be very stable. It's all about the psychology now. Can you wait it out? Can you be patient? Because everything is looking pretty strong. I mean, we've had some serious FOMO. We're going to have even more FOMO coming in. Socials are strong. Remember, the $69 AI-generated meme coin has absolutely exploded. We're seeing, 104K followers and growing. That's what I love about it. Although it seems like Turbo is going down and that people are running away, that is not the case, guys. Believe me, there are so many people sitting with their bags and actually making it heavier and heavier and heavier. Every time they have some spare cash, they're throwing it into Turbo. Simple as that. So please see the wider picture. Now, on top of it, I want to talk a little bit about the down moments and how the best meme coins actually survive these dips. They survive the moments when the price cools down, it goes down. Look, let me show you this. When Turbo actually started, okay, let me open up the old chart. When it started, 2023, so a year ago, yeah, it was kind of, you know, the same type of price, very low. A lot of people would have never gone into it because market cap isn't that high. Seems like a joke, right? And then boom, there's a pump. And then boom, again, a dip, right? It's mini small. You probably don't even see it on the chart. But then we see another pump and then again a dip, right? So again, it withstands the test of time. And then we see that massive pump where Turbo really, you know, consolidates itself, where it makes a name for itself. Everyone is talking about it, from just, you know, sitting at around like 9 million, 7 million, 8 million market cap to boom, like 400. Whoops, sorry, I'm looking at the volume. Let me show you this. Yeah, from basically a market cap of around 40, 50 million, and then boom, it goes all the way to, guys, like 600 million. I mean, that's pretty crazy. Okay. So people made a ton of money. Then people started freaking out as well. It's going down. It's the end of it. It's been rugged. I had a lot of people like emailing me and messaging me like, Gossipator, you have missed.
Bitcoin is divisible by a lot. Each Bitcoin can be split into 100 million small.
Misled us. This is the end of this, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, guys, this is only the start of it. We're waiting for Binance, Coinbase, and so on. So it withstands the time and it pumps again. And then it dips again. Okay. And then we see another pump and then a dip and then a pump. And, you know, the great thing about these type of memes is that they can overcome any dip, any cool down. And it seems like it's the end of it because it reaches an all-time high and people make the assessment of, okay, it's done. You know, the devs are going to run away. The whales are going to run. Everyone's running away. But guess what? It just keeps on going up. It does its reversals. And you see many of these points here. Just look at the chart. Get to know the chart. So that's what I like about it. Right? Now, why does it cool down? Well, people take their profits. Market can be going down. I mean, there could be many situations. But at the end of the day, if you're holding long term, if you're not bothered by the fact that you need to make money in 24 hours or in 2 days and so on, if you're like, look, you know, I've invested, I can wait it out, I can wait for a few weeks, then you're going to do very well. You're always going to make money here. And it's extremely undervalued, in my opinion. Guys, 700 million market cap isn't that high, considering the fact that Binance has it on their platform, Coinbase, more than 110 exchanges. Like, there's so much going on. So all you got to do is be patient. Big names are covering it. I mean, you type into, like, you go on Twitter, for example, right? And you type in Turbo Coin, okay? You look at the top results here. I mean, they're pretty big. You have some big names here. Lots of views. Everybody's discussing it. That is the nice thing here. Even Binance. I mean, I know Binance listed this, but the point here is that everybody's talking, everybody's discussing, everybody's getting to know it. Like, if you are within the meme coin sector and you don't know what Turbo is, you haven't gotten to know Turbo, then you are not a trader at this point because it's that big. It really is on that level. It's with all the other ones up there with SHIB, Doge, Flocky, Bonk, you name it, Dog with Hat. I mean, I could just carry on, but it really goes into the big names. That's the point. So it is growing. It grew from like a really tiny market cap throughout, you know, a year, even more, for starting all the way from last year. And it has grown to a very big number. Now, this is sort of a low risk market cap. Okay, because it's that big. There's so much money in there, so many holders. But on top of it, just shows the history, how it organically grew. Sometimes people freak out when, you know, a new coin launches and all of a sudden it turns into like a $500 million market cap. This coin, it earned its position. It's been around for quite a bit of time and it grew and grew and grew. And every time it had its peak, it dipped a little bit and then it peaked again, dipped a little bit and peaked. You see how we're following a pattern here. So exciting times, guys. keep going, keep pushing. There's so much to come. And again, this is one of these videos just to keep you in.
So shout out to Gossip here, a Gossipator. I actually been looking at this, reading this freaking thing wrong the whole time. Sorry about that, my friend. But yeah, as he mentioned, Turbo is a long-term hold. And a lot of people think you're going to make $1 million overnight. It doesn't happen like that in anything, much less crypto, right? It's a long-term play. You get in and you wait. So I don't know what you guys think about the near protocol, or what do you think about the situation, or do you think it is a good idea or a bad idea, or what do you think about the partnership? So let me know what you think in the comments, and there will be a live stream tomorrow, I think at 8 a.m. So I'll post it on the site, actually 8:30 a.m., but I'll post it on the site. So let me know if you guys are interested in joining the live stream, and look for the notifications in the morning. Let's see what this guy, who is this? Umar, has to say about Turbo's big announcement.
Massive announcement coming in just a couple of days. What is this announcement going to be? Looks like I might have some insider scoop of what the heck is going on. Starting things off on Twitter, guys, market calendars. The Turbo Revolution is just getting started. Stay sharp, get ready. December 17th, a big announcement, a save the date, big marketing campaign. Now, guys, if you're a fan of Turbo and been following Turbo for a while now, we've known they made announcements like this in the past before that turned out to be, let's just say, less than ideal. We even saw somebody calling it out on the Twitter section. Didn't we learn anything from Anomika brand partnership about announcing announcements? This will be better. And it looks like something massive is brewing on the back end. And could this potentially be a Robinhood listing? That's exactly what I think it might be. Looks like Turbo could be getting listed on Robinhood. But again, it's all up in the air, hypothetical. Obviously, I don't know this. It's not like someone told me. It's just what we're getting from speculation online. And let me show you why. So, Turbo Toad token. Can someone confirm who has the someone who has the Robinhood app? I found your link on Reddit, and apparently it's on a coin request link. I don't have the app, so I have no idea if it works. But everyone needs to blast this request Turbo for a coin listing. So again, we see the link. Let's see where it leads to. Again, guys, never follow suspicious links like this. This is my burner computer. I'm definitely not going to log in. Probably safe to do it from an actual app and make sure. I mean, it looks from everything, it looks like it's the right address, but again, just be careful for phishing links. Okay. So again, I can't sign in, so I can't check, but this is a link I was provided on Robinhood support to the coin request page, but it doesn't work. Can you please go directly to support? So basically, this person's seen a coin request link, and it's just got people pretty interested. Turbo Hood is riding for the people. Robinhood has some sweet nuggets there. Don't get shaken out, and we don't see an answer just yet. However, guys, I'm going to highly encourage you guys not to click on any random links and sign into your account, as it could be very dangerous. It could be phishing link. So we're just going to wait for announcement, but that's pretty interesting to say the least, and that could be absolutely massive for Turbo. As you know, Turbo recently got listed on Coinbase, and it's kind of been trading sideways. Again, we would anticipate with the Coinbase listing for it to go parabolic. I mean, when Pepe got listed on Coinbase, it went absolute insane. We saw upwards of 21x gains versus Turbo has been trading downwards ever since the listing. It's currently sitting at a $700 million market cap. In my personal opinion, not financial advice, this could be a tremendous buying opportunity. That's in a pretty low bottom zone, and I don't think it's going to go anything lower than this. This was the last big bottom we had, and I doubt we're going to go back to these zones over here. And this may be your last chance to buy Turbo under $100 million or under a $1 billion market cap, as it probably has some massive potential to list, especially if we get Robinhood adaptation. This could be absolutely insane. Very exciting stuff for a Turbo token. We see Turbo sits on a launch pad before way higher season. Okay, so it looks like it's getting ready to launch off, as analysts are predicting. Everyone's getting excited for Turbo, and that's what I like to see. The community is bullish for this, right? 4 hours, get ready, 48 hours. Looks like Turbo's presenting a launch off. And again, it's clear to see from the charts, guys, that it's been declining for so long now. is definitely going to have a reversal. Last time we seen it dip this strong, we did see a couple of bounce backs. So I anticipate this to have a reversal very soon. At least if it's a short-term reversal and dips again, that's very likely to happen. So you may want to load up a bag, maybe dollar cost average, but obviously not financial advice. Also, another partnership announcement potential. Turbo could potentially be getting a partnership with New York X Protocol. Account has a simple post giving dates for the same dates that we saw with Turbo. Has announced an interaction, and the account has some interactions, and the XR account regarding their post about 12/17. So looks like Turbo will be getting a host of new capabilities that can be pretty massive. Again, Turbo is probably one of the biggest AI meme coins, and again, Near Protocol is doing some pretty cool stuff in the crypto space. So collaboration like that could be epic. But again, guys, like always, remember none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel.
So I guess this definitely confirmed we're doing something with Near, and there'll be an announcement tomorrow. I'll make the link for that and put it on the BTM Twitter page. So make sure you sign up to get an early link. And we can definitely confirm it's not Robinhood. Robinhood would not create a buzz. They'll just tell you their spot listing and give you a date to list. So it's definitely Near. And going to be interesting to see what kind of technology Near and Turbo partnership has. But we'll have a kickoff tomorrow morning. Or I got a piece of coffee or something. Piece of something. But definitely have a meeting with Near. So check the BTM page for that announcement. And I guess we're shutting it down. We'll have another probably have another live tonight. I'm not sure yet, but definitely be prepared and be ready in the morning for the kickoff meeting. So I'll get that information set up and out to you guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm just trying to rebuild the community. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. And don't forget to keep posting for Robinhood. Keep the pressure on Robinhood. The community cannot be faded. Robinhood to the moon. 4.4 billion or bust. But thanks for joining. Thanks for keeping the community strong. Thanks for supporting your main man, BTM. And as always, let's get back to the money, guys, and stay dangerous. It's your boy, man, BTM signing out. Tiger out. Thanks for joining. What up, Pip?